Yeah, hi, it's Mike Waters. I'm here at Synne Cellars, and we have a bottling event going on for Synne Cellars, and so I'm going to give you a short preview of what's going on. So, okay. Hi, Nathan. Say hi.
Hello.
So, we're bottling. You're boxing.
Yes.
Correct? Okay. Oh, there you are. Okay. I don't know. So anyway, so this is part of the process. Maybe I'll start at the beginning. I'll try to go down here. It's all chaos. So we got Stevie here pulling bottles out of boxes, sitting them down here, and we're putting gas, argon gas in the bottles before we put wine in it. And then once the wine gets in it, in the cork, we put a little cap on it. And then when we put the cap on it, we put it in and it seals it up. And then we go over to the labeling here. And very cool. Then the labeler puts, it could be in it, Laurel. Right. So then it goes into a box. And then the boxes get sealed up. And then the boxes get put on this pallet. And then it gets shipped off to the person who bought it, some store or another. Hey, that's it. Bye.